Y'all acting like I don't see everything every goddamn year. You gonna do this to me? Huh? You gonna do this to me, Fanum? Huh? You wanna fuck with me? Okay. Alright.
Oh. You're not even SUPD. What the fuck are you doing here?
Get out. What do you need us to do?
I don't give a fuck. Get out. Listen. Get the fuck out. Listen, bro. These niggas are wilding, gang. It's fucking Gotham City out there.
It's evil. I've been saying that. It's fucking evil.
It might be worse. It might be worse.
This shit evil. I've been saying this. What you gotta understand?
No, wait. Let me talk, okay? Y'all niggas are not being as... You act like the D's, the fucking D's. Put on a fucking uniform. Actually arrest shit.
What the fuck have we been doing all fucking day?
Running at 4 in the morning.
Yesterday, and then we tackling niggas every fucking day.
Is this nigga arresting anything?
Yes.
Look. Kai and suburbbaby are currently fighting.
Here.
We have a picture of them. We have a picture. Calm down. I have bookings everywhere, gang. I literally have bookings right there. I gave y'all bookings. Right. You niggas did not want to give me. Bro, come on, please, bro. I need help, nigga.
Right.
Y'all wait.
So you think we ain't doing shit?
But
so you ain't since at 4 in the morning running?
I'm not saying y'all not doing shit. But you starting late, gang. 8 a.m. You supposed to.
Nigga, we here till 8 in the morning. We here even when niggas can't see we hopping out on niggas.
Let's just go. What the fuck has SUPD done today?
This. Give me a nigga. I'm out.
No! Lock him up. Tell me. Give me the leg.
Hit another one.
No, you can't.
Who ain't do shit? Who ain't do shit? Let's go. Who ain't do shit? Now what? Sit down.
Now what?
Okay, now what? Look, who got locked up now?
See how it feels?
Who locked up now?
I'm the fucking dean! Stop! I'm the dean!
But we tired of you pushing. We've been trying.
Okay, stop.
What the fuck you stop? You don't do shit. Get the fuck out of here, Kai. Come on. Back the fuck up. We got something for you then. Hey, get a minute. Get up.
Get in the car. Fuck this shit. We out.
That's it. You keep complaining. My body hurts. Shut up.
Fuck you. Shut your fucking mouth.
Tape his fucking mouth. Tape his mouth. You got tape?
Shut your mouth. Send him with you.
Shoot out the window. Come in.
Come on, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
What the
Wanna walk to the shit. Shut the fuck up.
Bro, you keep talking shit.
You wanna appreciate us.
God damn it.
Come on, bro.
No, fair shit, bro.
Fair. All right.
No,
God, I don't want to hear shit.
Niggas ain't do
I'm
shit, right?
fucking tired of it.
No, you're not, bro. You want some weird shit.
I don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear shit. I don't give a fuck.
Nobody gives a fuck.
We SUPD. Remember? SUPD. Motherfucker.
Where my dogs at?
Now we like the funny fucking body.
We run shit, nigga.
Oh my fucking God. People, you keep inviting more people.
Like,
Nigga, you guys are good enough. Nigga, we fund y'all niggas.
Good enough.
what?
Oh,
You fund this? You ain't even come in not one time, give us a little bit of hookah or a little drink.
First of all,
We've been sleeping.
Wait, fuck the
we don't even got beds.
We don't got
Not even the cow
fucking
beds.
Fuck that. You never even gifted us.
Facts.
Never even gifted us, bro. What you keep telling us? Never gifted us.
1,000 gifts now.
That's a fact. Bro, let's be honest. Okay, then.
What?
So now we're gonna show you what we do.
Now we're gonna show you what we do.
So we're gonna show you.
Bro, shut the fuck up. We don't do shit back. We don't do shit back. We don't do shit back. We got Kai in the fucking truck right now, and he yapping. Shut the fuck up.
You forgot about all the good I did for you, nigga.
Exactly.
All day today.
Like,
You didn't say something.
Walter, you cooked. He forgot all the good things we did, and all he focused on the bad. Like, come on, bro.
Manipulator.
He's a manipulator.
A manipulator.
Manipulator.
You toxic as fuck.
for the students on campus, nigga.
I don't know.
Nigga, it's my... Tell Yana to do it.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, tell Yana. Call Yana. Call Yana.
Oh, you can't call because we got your phone.
Walked in there like
Yo, Walter, check what everybody else doing. Like, check Ricard, DDG.
All right, let's check.
I came and grabbed my phone. I'm getting squished. This is
Okay,
like a double
is...
stuffed Oreo.
Look.
What?
With
a cookie?
He's with a couple females right now.
Yeah, what's DDG doing?
DDG, Daryl is with some girls right now.
Oh, word? What are they doing?
I don't know. They chilling. They don't give a fuck. You missing?
So,
Who else?
Everybody's talking about having fun.
Yeah, everybody's having like fun, low key.
okay, hey, shut the fuck up.
Oh,
No.
No, you shut the fuck up. Lights off, man.
nah, that's it. This is the part where you shut up.
Hey, let's take this nigga the fuck out. Drop him off right here. Yeah, man. And leave him. Fuck this. Wanna overwork us?
Come on, Fanum. All right, the troll is over, bro. Yo, Fanum, the joke is over, gang.
Get the rope.
Bro. Come on, bro. Where the fuck am I, gang? In the woods. Little node. Where the keys? Where the keys at?
Where the keys was? The cuffs? Keys for the cuffs. Keys for the cuffs. Keys.
Alright, nah. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, bro. All to the side. Look around, nigga.
Look around.
Hey, look that way, Pochi.
Look
that. Hey, beat his ass.
Beat his ass.
No, stop! Okay.
Roping. Put him right here. Put him right here.
Oh, come
Get up.
on, gang. Y'all niggas. Oh my God.
Get up.
Put him next to the tree.
Ow.
Yo.
Alright.
Yo. Drop that motherfucker. Yo.
Ow!
Yo. Oh shit, who the fuck should have witnessed?
Ow! You got the gun?
I got the gun. Oh, trunk.
Nigga, I got him to be so fast.
Is it the police? Oh shit. Go. Nigga, I don't fit through that. Go. Hold it down. Nigga, I don't fucking fit through it. Oh, no. This way. Hurry. Wait, how? What, just go through there? Let me just get to him.
Reverse, bro. Let's get the fuck out of here.
If I don't make it hot, it's gonna be good. If I don't make it hot, it's gonna be good. Hold on. Please, hold on. Because it's gonna look crazy if he looks in the car. If he looks in the car, it's gonna look crazy. Okay? Just shut up. Uh-oh. I think they finna hop out of us. Oh my God. Shit, right there. Show him. Armory, is he blocking me in? Holy shit. Is the cam here? Show him. Yeah, it's not here? He doesn't know what he's doing. It is? You look at me and say, I don't know. Oh my God. He's chasing us. Yeah, this is stupid. Watch out. I don't want to go down for this.
Oh shit! Right there.
Oh shit. Fuck. What can happen to us? Fuck. What can happen to us?
You did that.
Yeah! Fuck that nigga! Holy shit.
No police. All that shit.
Yes, I am.
No, my fault, bro. My fault.
Yo, are we leaving? We leaving?
Are you yelling at me right now?
I'm asking if we're leaving. I'm excited.
We need ID,
excited.
right? Yes, you need your ID. You have your IDs?
I don't know where it is, bro.
Are you being honest with me? You don't understand. The whole county, I've been on calls, they want to shut this down. They all hate me. Oh, GG's, bro. Yo, hey, y'all, fitted. Fuck. Yeah, bro. Yeah, apparently, bro. Got that shit on.
mad shit, bro. Damn, y'all fitted, bro. I wish I packed enough, bro. Fuck, bro.
But you had a little bag?
I had a carry-on, yeah. What the fuck? Yo.
It's Marlon. I watch everyone out of the way.
Why the fuck she on the ground, bro?
Why your eyes so wide?
Why the fuck you missed? See, bro, that's just
No,
mean.
I'm just saying, like, wait, you did that on purpose in front of her? Like, just like regularly?
No, gang, show him.
I'm ready. Yeah. What do you think of my fit?
Why are you wearing a vest? Are you not hot as fuck right now?
Ah, but it's a no arm sleeve vest.
Are you doing the apple juice stand?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink. Fuck it.
Okay. Yeah, fuck it.
That's horror. Let me put on my glasses too.
Hey, bro. Yeah. I don't got that much oil.
But I can't like. You're lucky. You're getting aura. Because I've been seeing where your body is formed now. Like you're getting more muscular, bro. Like, bro, for real, like you have a good transformation, bro.
Hey, I appreciate that, bro. My dog, bro.
You know what?
Yeah, shit, bro.
Are we supposed to wear that?
Yo, there's a party. You gotta go change.
What?
I'm
Yeah,
saying,
no,
party,
I
you
know
gotta
this
change.
party. Yeah, this is
You
my
gotta
going
go
out.
change.
No, this is my going out
You gotta go
outfit.
change.
This is my going out
This is your
outfit.
outfit?
For going out, yeah.
Some fucking bullshit.
Wait, why? What's wrong?
What the fuck you wearing, PJs? Yeah, it's crazy as fuck.
Fuck you wearing?
That's
All right.
shit.
You got a nice chrome piece. Fuck you laughing for? Laugh a little harder. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What the fuck? Shit, John.
I know she's talking shit. I'm a girlfriend too. What the fuck? Damn.
What up, Corey? Huh?
Yeah, if I get them coming.
Hey, thank you, bro. Yo, there's a party. You gotta go change, bro.
What? No.
There's a party. You gotta go change, bro.
What do you mean?
I mean, this is fit?
This is the fit.
Nah, what the fuck is this?
MJ edition.
Some fucking
Custom made
bullshit
MJ edition.
Bro.
Diamond chain. Alex Ma shit.
Fucking shit.
Shiesty.
You still with
Black.
Tatiana? What's her name? Tatiana?
Swag. I feel like you just want to mod niggas tonight. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro,
That's what I'm thinking. You're showing the arm, which I get because you've been in the gym.
bro,
I know.
you're 6'5", bro.
What does that mean?
It means height. Bro, you got everything.
No, I don't. Not yet. I still got more to upgrade.
Yeah, you just chop.
Hell no.
You just height. You just got height and no like
I'm not
everything else.
chopped.
I'm not chopped.
I'm handsome. I wouldn't say I'm chopped, but I would say I just need to get more muscle.
All right, bro. Well, let me know when you change your fit.
Yeah, all right.
That's not nice.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Where the fuck is the bus?
Bro, I'm not lying. The bus not coming, bro. Like, the bus is fake.
Yo. Did y'all know there's a party? Y'all gotta change.
Man, fuck that. I'm not changing like this. The fuck, bro. You're going like
Yo,
that.
there's a party. You gotta go change. Y'all gotta change.
It's
Wait, I thought-
designer.
What's going on?
I thought it was this little pajamas.
You're like wearing a fucking black wife beater and with the basketball shorts.
And your shoes aren't even tied.
It's called swag.
Leave the man alone. You know, it ain't even about the drip.
Ain't about to drip.
It ain't about the drip. We're gonna get that
Shoe
shit
size,
lit.
actually. Look.
You think so?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Probably.
Oh my god, we do. I think we're all the same
Oh
height.
my god.
Damn.
Low key.
You got what size shoe you wear?
7.5.
I'm a 7.
I'm a 9. What the fuck?
What in the world? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Listen, man, did I leave you hanging?
Hi, so I'm always just the guy that made it happen. Even when
I got Dead ass put my foot. Did this. The back chair was behind.
Thank you, bro. Shout out God, bro.
Yo, there's a party tonight. You gotta go change.
Yeah, you gotta go change.
What you mean?
Huh?
Hey, there's a party tonight. You gotta go change, bro.
Yo, I'm gonna be honest, you're L Mans.
What you mean?
Haskell got jumped, and you didn't even slide for him.
They squashed it. You're man's L student, everything for shooting Kai in the fucking eye.
Yeah, and guess what? Demon's still here. Demon home.
Whatever, bro. BNL. BNL, bro.
Demon home.
BNL, bro. BNL, bro. BNL. Yeah, Ron's fucked. Ron's fucked, bro. Ron didn't bring his ID.
Come on, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving.
My bad.
Let's get on the bus.
My bad.
Let's get on the bus.
What the fuck did you even do? Who you waiting on, bro?
No, he's good. Go ahead. You go ahead, though. You go ahead.
Hey, good.
You want your friend with you or you want to be you good? You want, all right. I'm saying, all right, come on over there.
No, Pella here, bro.
Hey! Hey!
Wait, you made it. What the fuck you laughing at, bro?
You're tweaking, bro.
What you mean am I tweaking?
Come on, bro. We gonna get rid of John soon anyway, bro.
Yo.
Don't worry.
Fuck this shit, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro.
It's real fratty.
Thank you. Where the fuck is the... Why is there empty buses?
I don't know.
No, you're not. It ain't gonna do no good to max it out with the dog.
Hey, Jake,
Oh,
how about you both sit, you sit here, how about Ninjas? One of us? Doesn't matter. Look, it's a free game. Here, I'll switch to Jason Ninjas.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. This feels so bad.
Hey, John, bro, you gotta hold that camera straight.
I'm gonna try my best, bro.
Jake, what's up, bro? Well, of course your shirt's off.
Alright.
Hey, my name is Jeremiah. I need validation. No, I don't, because I like Fortnite. I'm a 23-year-old. I love Fortnite stuff. How you doing? Oh, you can smell so bad. Oh my god. But that nigga's gonna fuck. That nigga sit the fuck down. Hey, sit down. Yeah, it's close. Sit down. It's close. I got a text from Daryl. It's close.
W Daryl. That ass fat. Damn, what the fuck? You said fat in person, bro.
I'm better.
Fuck up.
Please, nigga. Oh God, this nigga's so annoying, bro. Oh God, you're annoying as fuck. You see, how you know somebody? Yo, bro. Yo, Davis, they not looking for you. They not probably. Sit down. Sit down and shut up. They trying to show him something to the window just to recognize it.
Who's ready to fucking party?
Bro, I'm getting drunk as fuck. Stop fucking lying, bro. All out of these talking, I'm really bad, bro. You don't know what happens when I get drunk, nigga.
Yo, Marlon, you showered?
Yeah, I'm already sweating.
That's fucked, bro.
No, you're talking about when I get off the bus. Brother, it's jokes. Word. Why did niggas take it word? Okay, from here on out.
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
There's mad old people in this bar.
Let us go. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you.
What the?
That didn't sound right.
You always had a neither moment, bro.
Bro, this is what I'm talking about. See, now you're putting your hands on niggas. Now you're putting your hands on niggas. That's weird.
Oh shit, I just went straight to your dick. I'm not holding. I got a whole look at Marlon's dick print. My knees are just killing me. If this is ass, I'm fucking out of here, man. And I'm gonna walk to Waffle House. Yo, y'all down for Waffle House? This is ass? I'm not even trolling, that ass. I'm actually not even trolling. Let Kai fucking send the cops to pick us up. I'm here. Let's Kai send the cops to pick us up at Waffle House. I don't care.
Oh, but it just sounded like.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dog.
Yo guys, make sure to thank the fucking bus driver, please. And make sure you
time is this? Oh shit, alright.
Let's go.
I got FOMO, fuck. Nah, you wasn't invited, bro. You wasn't. How do you do that with his legs, bro? Bro, it's not a section, dog. It's not a section, dog.
Yeah, it is.
It's not a section, bro.
You ain't never been out here. That's where I'm from.
It's literally me, bro.
I'm from around these parts.
Wait, put your arm around me. We recreate the picture. Ah, you changed my life, bro.
Love you, dude.
Love you, dude.
Hey, I support your community.
Love your community too, bro. I gotta make sure y'all.
Excuse me.
Oh my God, he did it there, bro. That ass. Oh, my bad.
Jason, what the fuck?
What happened? Oh.
Come on, run it.
Ball, bro.
Right here.
5.9.
Go.
Wait, you supposed to go again?
Oh, I got two. Just go.
You fucking dirty bitch. I quit.
You quit?
I quit.
You quit?
Nah, finish. Go.
What?
Come on.
Bang! Hey, game over, man.
Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
Redemption.
Never.
I like the way that he organized.
Teach.
Shut up!
Teach.
What problem? It's what? We're gonna get everyone.
Teach.
Like GG? Like good game.
How many shots are you?
What?
I'm 3. You gotta catch up.
You want people with me?
You gotta catch up. Bud? Shit, busted.
around you. Can you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life? You know if you just squeeze you, put me things all around you. Can you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life? You ain't angel, baby, till it's all it's real, so I feel. And as a woman, I'm with you, dear. You want to tell me, girl, I can't be. You want to tell me, girl, to feel me. You feel it, you feel it. Oh, me, I'm really crazy. You know I feel all you. Put me outside around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. You just want to squeeze you. Shades on his face, now he already the chrome one. He say he a rapper, I ain't never heard his song. Brother with my son, I shoot a nigga dope up. Everybody started acting weird when I glowed up. If I get a deal, I get the less pay. When I argue with my girl, she said an S thing. I never listen when I'm chilling with my best thing. I'm trying to kick it with your homie and less thing. I need to play some sexy shit. Niggas already know it because I turn my shots up.
Oh, you say what? You're
Oh shit, it's hot as fuck. Why you not dancing?
I was.
Yo, there's a dance circle over there. Let's join.
I'm not fucking join that shit.
Come on, bro. Hey, wait, you gotta, come on, bro. I'm gonna shove you in there.
That's yours?
Nah, I'm hitting it. Hey. I'm trying to get my asshole all fucking week, bro.
Fucking lit. It's like that. Diablo. Roma. We need shots from everybody. I need a shot.
Right, you're off. You're weird. You're off. Yeah.
Wait. No, I just want to shot the spot. Wait. Look. Here we go. Look. I'm going to take something. You're going to take the right.
What?
They take it too long. All right, fine. We'll wait.
Oh my God, bro. Need the water, bro.
Bitches, where y'all at? Spend that shit in y'all bag. Just to sip it, pop some tag.
Yo. Let me tell you something.
Spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, and spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit.
That's all of them.
That ain't even Jason money. She said she wanted a day that make more than 10 fingers. That ain't even Jason money.
Yo, how many shots y'all deep, bro? I'm at 5, bro. Give me a...
That don't even look like me, bro.
It does.
Yes or no?
You give me a shot. Yo! What the fuck? There's no way they're doing the fake 4 segment at a fucking bar, right? Suburbbaby. Oh my God. You got me fucked up. You had to explode it. Where? Oh no, he's live, bro. Is that a fucking helicopter? Oh no, bro.
They done betrayed me, bro. Y'all acting like I don't see everything every goddamn year. You gonna do this to me? Huh? You gonna do this to me, Fanum? Huh? You wanna fuck with me? Okay. Alright. Everybody wanna party. I asked for one rule, don't party, and everybody wanna party. So I bet. Don't let nobody out that club. Okay? This is what we gonna do. We gonna fly to the club. That's what we're doing now. We are going to fly to the club. The thing that upgraded now. I done upgraded. ready. Let's get it. You ready? All right. Y'all wanna mess with me? Nah. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. So what we gonna do, chat? We gonna go to the club and we gonna circle the club. Everybody wanna escape. DDG, Funny Mike, all of y'all wanna do this to me. Bet. Show them, CB. We're not playing no games. Keep showing them, CB. How Fanum? Let's go. How Fanum? Fanum, you thought you was gonna leave me in the middle of nowhere? Okay. Fanum, you really thought you was gonna do that to me? I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. Everybody getting expelled. Everybody who went to that party getting expelled. I'm firing SUPD, gang. I'm firing SUPD. Chat, we almost there. You pulling up? Uh-oh. Here we go, chat. Everybody spam locks. Oh, I see it. Bingo. 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 Everybody get out. Everybody get out. Everybody get out. Let me know if we can go lower. I don't know, but let me know.
Get to the club in my taxi cab, everybody.
I ain't gonna lie, the dean just landed. The dean just landed. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Hey yo. Oh my God.
Here we go, chat. Let's move. Let's move. Can I go with police? I'll go with them. Can I go with them? Police, let's go with the police. Come on. Come on, CB, we out. Let's go with police. Load up. Load up. Wait. Police, wait. Police. Can I ride with y'all? Okay, let's go to the front. Okay. Y'all was playing with me, bro.
Once we get close, I'll turn on the sirens, okay?
Okay.
I can lose until then.
Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yup.
Yeah, rolling in hot, rolling in through.
Yeah, here we go. Yup, here we go.
What do you want to do? How do you want
Give me the word. I'm gonna just hop out. Let me know when. In. Let's Cuddy. Cuddy, it's time to move. Cuddy, it's time to move. Let's go, Cuddy. Let's go. Oh, okay. Hey! Move! Oh, yeah! Move!
bus.
Let's go. Yeah, come on.
Hey, go. Just stay on the bus.
Round it up. Hey, everybody done. Everybody done.
And we longer than 2025, so we don't give a fuck, nigga.
You go tomorrow. Why? You go with your brother. Why? You got to go out and miss you. Fuck that D. Fuck that D. Fuck that D.
Yes, we did.
The fuck? Wrong with you? Huh? You're never coming back. Fuck you. You? Oh. No. You're a fucking cowgirl. You fucked the
Yo, you can make this hit.
Watch out.
You're good.
Watch out.
Nah, y'all out of pocket for real, bro.
Watch out.
That shit, gang.
Watch out.
Y'all popped out to this party. That shit not cool.
You popped out too.
Nah, I didn't pop out.
Yes, you did.
I came. I said stop this shit. I said shut this shit down. They didn't shut it down.
What? My brother. I'm chill, like guys, keep it down and all that shit. And
That's cat. That is cat. That is cat.
We made history. You made history. You're a legend. You made history.
Shut your ass up.
No, you're a legend.
Shut your ass up. Hey, I'm trying to clean up the club. I'm trying to clean up the club. You weren't trying to do nothing. Watch out. You a club director? You ain't been doing shit the whole semester, bro. Causing dumbass shit. I should have knew you did some dumb shit. Move. And you?
I'm chaperone.
You, I'm tired of your ass. I'm tired of your ass, nigga.
Whip his ass.
Yo, cameras down, y'all. Cameras down, yo. Cameras down. Bitch ass nigga. Yo, chill. Ain't no chill. I got one rule, bro. I got one rule, gang.
They don't know you threw it yet.
He did it, bro. Let's go to the front.
You did it.
No, it was you.
Bro, no, Nick did it.
Let's go.
No,
go to the
Nick
front.
did it.
No, Kai, give my belt back.
Is it because I'm black, Kai? It's because I'm black.
What? Yes.
Nick did it. Okay.
That's exactly why.
Because I'm black.
Yes.
So Nick just get immunity like
Why he gets started, I get choked.
So Nick get immunity like he had no party.
You right.
He threw
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Let's go to the front. Everybody out. One by one. Really? You ain't getting no ring, nigga. You ain't getting no ring. One by one. Come on. Let's go. One by one. Come on. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. One by one. Come on. Get on. Come on. Get your fucking clumsy ass out of here. Why you touching me? Why you touching me? Why the fuck out? Go on the campus. Go. I don't want to go. Go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Snow cone. Go.
It wasn't me, bro.
Out.
Out. I don't want to go.
Come on.
Sam, really? You flew all the way from the UK for this dumb shit?
Bro, it's Fanum, bro.
Move.
Fanum.
Rippin' Randy? Really? Marlon? Really? Jason?
God, I love you, bro.
Bill?
My bad. I'm so sorry.
Go! DC, you dead ass bet. Go! Shake! Go back to Nigeria!
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Come on.
Go! Come on. My bad.
No. I can tell you, the Lord told me I had to go there because I had to protect everybody there and pray over everyone.
I didn't know where we were going.
MVP?
I didn't drink.
I didn't know where he was going.
MVP, Queen?
No. Come on, we deserve
Next year.
it. No.
I'll take Legend. Get out of here.
Oh my God.
Move. I know. his staff.
Yo, I was debating niggas in that gang, I'm telling you.
Marcus,
I was debating niggas, trust me. I made sure everybody was safe, Kai. You can't be mad. I made sure everybody was safe. It was crazy out there, bro. Kai, please.
Again?
Whoa. Cool. Say something?
Again?
Oh, end the stream, buddy. Your voice is gone.
Kai, Raw dog move.
I'm in favor shooting. I'm in favor. I didn't need to, Kai.
Take knee.
Oh my gosh, what the fuck are you doing here, nigga? Why? Oh my god.
Take knee.
No, because I told him to stop.
Light the fuck up. Why you gonna be so fucking strict?
Dude, the fucking strict.
Hey, bully. Wait. Your last thing tomorrow.
Wait, go. Let's
Go. Brayden, you shoot me in my eye. Then you go to a party?
You look good, though.
Go. Get off.
Nah, we ain't even drink that much.
Go.
You should have pulled up.
Go.
You should have pulled up.
That's it.
Where's he at? Oh shit, there you go. 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 You motherfucker.
Just act like we want to.
You motherfucker. You gonna do this shit to me? Huh? You gonna do this shit to me?
Listen.
You gonna do this shit to me?
Stop. He didn't do it to you.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Don't do it.
He didn't do it to you.
Yo.
He didn't do it to you.
Hold on. At my stream right now.
Hold the fuck on, nigga.
Turn that shit off. Hear me. Come here. At my shit.
Well, I understand, Kai. You was overworking niggas, bro. You was doing a lot, gang. It's like you was doing a lot, gang. I'ma just be real. I'ma just tell you what the real is. The real is that you was doing a lot, and I felt like we could have did a little less. You know what I'm saying? And it had Don Julio. And it had Don Julio.
You hear my voice?
You hear my voice? That's my voice every day.
Okay.
Because I be working that hard.
India over there.
India, shut the fuck up.
India, shut the fuck up.
India, shut the fuck up.
India.
I know you're not talking to me.
Yes, we was talking to you.
You was smarting on what I said.
You about to fall.
Help us.
Come on.
We'll do them later. I know I need my help. What you need help
I need help. Definitely, I need help.
Fanum, what you need help with?
That's what I'm saying.
Excuse me.
Yeah, go. Come on, bro. Yeah, nigga. Yep.
Number Kai.
You said that we're time? Just for time? I'm good, boy.
Listen. Give me the badge.
Just wow, Fanum.
You SUPD now.
Yeah!
Can I trust you?
Yes, you can trust me. Yes,
Yo.
sir.
Yo. Go back to the police station and pack your shit up. Go back.
Did I?
Yeah. You hear my fucking voice? Your badge has been revoked. Your badge has been fucking revoked.
I'm LSPD now, nigga. Fuck is you talking about SUPD? Don't shake my fucking hand.
Get up.
Shake my fucking hand. Shake my fucking hand.
Where to go?
That's how true it is. That's how true it is. It ain't made for you. It ain't made for niggas like you. Listen to me, motherfucker. That job, it come with a lot. And I hope you ready. Okay? Have fun. Enjoy the ride, motherfucker. Welcome to Stream University 2026. Bullshit!
Yo, Kai! In the badge. Go back your shit. Go back your shit. Go back your shit. The fuck out of the campus. Fucking worthless piece of shit.
Love you, nigga.
You don't. No, the fuck you don't. You're my fucking brother. You don't do this to me.
It's over. It's all over.
Dean! Shame on you.
And now, the party really begins.